Here we go. Boom. This ain't your grandpappy's broom. This is one of UDOT's sweeper trucks, and I got to drive one just a few days ago. Sorry about the weather. It's kind of looking like England out here. Speaking of England, drive on the right side of the car, which is kind of crazy. Let's see, not that side, but I got to drive it on this side. Excellent use of the microphone there. It was pretty intense, but an adventure nonetheless. So check out this latest episode of You Do It and see how I did. Here we go.
Clean this. Once this hood goes down, that means we're ready to go. If you're doing the inside of any wall, it'll be from that seat because you're on the inside. On the outside walls, it'll be on this side.
How often do you have to pick up litter?
We pick it up every day. We go out and do a litter run every day. So I've been in this broom since it was brand new. I pretty much put, a little over 10,000 miles. I learned in that one, and then we got this one. That's the street sweepings. That's where we'll dump the hopper. That might be in maybe 2 weeks probably. You can't imagine some of the stuff that we sweep up. We go every week. Areas that are high volume, like by our shops and stuff like that, that usually gets hit twice a week, or we're getting ready to start. We're gonna start at that wall right there. So I will turn on this. This is the beacons. This is for the backlights. We're not just out there for, enjoyment. We're out there getting stuff off the road, debris and stuff like that, so people don't hit it. So we're gonna put it in sweep mode. It's gonna kick out all the brooms and everything. And then you pretty much just put it in low and go like 5 miles an hour.
So we'll have somebody following behind us.
Yes.
You're clear to get over.
10-4.
Follow truck is an early warning vehicle to let people know that are traveling on our roads that we are trying to do a moving operation, keep the roads clean, and keep us safe and the traveling public safe.
This seems like a safe enough shoulder. Do you want to swap it here?
Sure, if you want.
Sure.
Yeah, just with the bristles.
Okay, I can see a little bit of bristles.
This is Nick driving the broom.
Kind of relaxing being in here by yourself and cleaning up Utah.
It is for me. A lot of people don't like it because it's boring.
The broom operator has a real tough job because he has the traffic to deal with and he has the sweeping, which is two different things he's doing. So he's doing a juggling act.
Did you see me sweeping?
Yes, I did.
How did I do?
You were slow, which is great. The slower, the better in the broom.
It's more for safety than looks because a car can run over it, shoot it up in another car, hurt the car. So we try to keep that stuff off the road. And it looks a lot better when it's clean, but mostly for safety.
We just wrapped up a round on Mountain View Corridor. Tim's coming right now to dump whatever we picked up. So let's see all the junk. They'll just go in this pile of everything else. Ready? Okay. So these are a lot of our different vehicles that are getting worked on here by our mechanics. So look out for that episode. Maybe coming next. See if I can get underneath the car and change oil and check the tire pressure, and that's pretty much it, right? I don't know what goes into fixing a car, but stay tuned for next time. See you guys. Can I get in here?